Where? You okay? Yeah. Good. Karen, Miss Karen might be here too.
Good. That's a good thing. Oh, and the shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's $2. Okay, that's $2, 4 is $6, 7, $8. She's getting the love. It's kind of rare. Oh yeah, you need to do that.
Oh, sorry. There's some Disney figures back there we'll look at too.
Look at those, they're tiny, but a little more colorful. Yeah. Well, except for the Air Jordans, they're what's the yeah, there. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, do you have maps?
We have a few, yeah.
Oh, can I get one?
Sure.
Yeah, I looked on the road, but they don't have them. I really want
Yeah, well, we did. We copied that and showed you what she printed them on.
I didn't print. It's not here. Church sales too.
Yeah.
Methodist church.
And then
Also,
The Air Jordans, I was gonna ask $25 for that.
the school down here, St. John's School.
That's a $100 different ones actually. Look at the soles. Let's see how. Okay. The little boots would be $2. Okay.
So, what,
Go around over here. Hold these,
okay.
please.
Okay.
The shirt,
I
thank you.
will drop as the day goes on.
Pardon? I love jar. I'm addicted to jars.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna get one. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, hold on. What's that?
Said everybody in here is a bad.
I bet if you got it.
Yeah, I know. Mine's I charged mine all the way up last night.
We'll go back and look at this Disney stuff.
the reason why your sister's scurried out of here so fast.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's good you,
Well, I couldn't pass it up.
I don't see any.
I gotta behave myself, I just have to.
Why did I give you? You had to have lunch.
It's the worst.
Sorry.
Well, she was at St. Vincent de Paul yesterday. I donated all this like knitting crochet stuff, you know, these little squares, about 100 of them. Tom's like, I don't know why you got those. I said, somebody will like these. And then, so I finally donated them.
Yeah.
And it's funny because she was there yesterday. I'm so excited, that's what I found. And I'm like, oh, I donated those. So she told Judy, the manager,
Well, yeah, I know.
we gotta cut out the middleman here.
Really?
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do $1 for the,
Yeah,
for everything.
I don't know if
What is
she's up
this?
for that, but I see her.
Oh,
She
well, thank you
she
so
said
very
she's
much.
#1 in the country.
The church,
It goes for a good cause.
that's
We
right,
know.
the
So look
church
on-
appreciates it, we could use that.
Okay, thank you.
$1.50, they're 50 cents.
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you so very much. You need a bag?
No, I
Oh,
don't.
you got
We
one.
got smart. We brought all
ready to shop. I'm not fooling around here today.
Thanks. Excuse us.
Have a good day.
You too, you
Have a
too.
good day. Okay, 50 cents for that, $2 for that, $2.50.
Let's go look on the other side.
I got little ones.
Lindsay told me she wants to be Red Riding Hood.
Do I say a what?
She wants to be Red Riding Hood.
Oh, Red Riding Hood.
I appreciate it very much. Have a good one.
I got a pair of shoes,
Okay, they're $2.
and then I got.
I'm trying to get rid of mine.
Can I get this?
No. Good.
Here, I'm gonna give you a card, your husband or sons or anybody that needs a barber,
Yeah, we're done.
The cut company.
cut company.
Oh, okay.
There's a sale down there too.
There's a car over there, but he
There's micro machines. Oh, those are.
Why?
These Hot Wheels.
You're gonna open it, it's gonna lose value.
Let's go look over here real quick. We're gonna walk down to the church. Or actually, I'm gonna go walk up here. Grow crystals. Which I probably already did.
Who's that rope in?
Okay, come on. Take a look. Good. Okay.
Oh, no, this one. I don't know. Where are you?
Have a good day.
Sorry.
No, no. Make an offer if you see anything, please.
Yeah, it should work. I don't think if it's not used, that it should last.
Okay, guys. Here. We're gonna How are you today?
Have fun looking.
We always do.
Got different holidays.
You know, we haven't found where there's any Tupperware. We haven't found any Tupperware today.
All the decorations. We got warm, so it's working. They plugged it in.
I don't know if we need it.
Roaster does work. We just plugged it in. It does get hot. It's an older model, but it does work.
Does what you need it to do.
Yeah.
Let me see if she needs these.
It's muffler.
It's loud when it vibrates.
What?
So that's loud when it vibrates.
What vibrates?
My phone.
Just the whole box for a box. Those are a quarter a piece,
Okay.
or $5 for the whole box.
Somebody will snag those up today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Too.
Where's that? Bridge Rock? Where's that one? Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
Okay, that area?
Oh, what? I may have to get one of these for the golf outing. I got stuff to put in one of those. I might get this one actually. I might do that. Might be.
Yeah? Okay.
But then you got stuff that you think, so it won't be moved. Yeah, exactly.
What's it? Yeah. There's never gonna use that.
They are, I mean, when I first moved in, I got them. And they are, I mean, they're made, and I have all the measurements. I have the paperwork that I got when I got them. So,
And they can still be cut down too.
I don't know, can they?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm,
cut short.
no, width-wise, I don't think, but maybe lengthwise. I'm not sure. So, I just, I have no idea.
I'm trying to think which one would be better.
This one.
No, this is for the
Yeah, that's a good cut though too.
Remember that stuff we got from the bike store?
They can do it.
I mean, we do the hot top shaves.
I think this
I
one.
actually think that one.
This one.
I think this one.
Nope. Nope. And I think
I have too much. I buy storage units and I do clean outs
Yeah.
Although you have a lot, but I don't know.
for donating.
Well, you know what I do?
Which one do you think?
Usually what I don't sell.
It's a little broken
Put
though.
some of like.
Broken.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. You know what? I think you're right.
And
Yeah,
then
go
you
ahead.
can put some.
Here you go pay. Yeah, go pay. She's got this one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm coming. I was checking out the neighbor stuff.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
It's so foggy you can't even see. I wonder if Mom can wear that. I if she could fit that. Oh, really? How much you asking on these?
$5.
Okay. Oh, she can do that.
I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, that's nice.
See you now. Good luck with your account.
Thank you.
How much on this one?
5.
Okay. It's light.
Brand new.
Yeah, it's light. I was expecting to be a little heavier. I like it though. We'll do it. Why not? Anything else here? Let's take a look over here. Nobody likes Starbucks?
I don't like Starbucks. I got it. I'm a FedEx driver. Someone gave it to me. I'm like, awesome.
It gets you like one drink.
Not even.
Yeah, I know.
But that's $15 on.
Yeah, that's still like one drink most of the time. Okay, I think you might be it. It's so foggy you can't see up here.
I know. It stays foggy for a while.
Okay, I think I'm done. We got those two and those.
25?
Yeah. So.
Do you want a bag?
You have a bag,
Do you have
little
a
one?
I've got one.
And I need change too. Please. Yeah, this connects to.
Oh yeah, I love Yeti stuff.
Right.
It's the first time I've ever seen a Yeti yard sale. We have way too much.
15. How much? 15.
15?
25, yeah. 15 back.
There's a bee on me. It just stung me.
Where? You okay? Yeah, come here. So as you guys can notice by the footage, my daughter got stung by a bee on her way to one of the yard sales. I didn't see her get stung because she was kind of behind me, but I heard her say, ouch, there was a bee on her. And I think when she went to go swat it, the bee stung her. I tried to get a comment from her and she refused to comment on the incident, but she is okay. And we went home, she put some ice on it, and then I ended up going out to another couple sales with my oldest daughter, which I'm not sure I filmed. With all that being said, stay tuned for part 2 as I show you the haul that we got from this whole community yard sale, which was actually pretty decent, even though there wasn't too many houses selling things that day, but we did make out pretty good. So stay tuned for part 2, and we'll see you at that one.